In the survey level of the terrain modeling environment, draw the terrain perimeter. Select DXF DWG Survey and choose the CAD drawing to load. Specify a scaling factor. Place the CAD drawing within the defined terrain perimeter. Activate the Contour Lines drawing mode. Now select the Automatic Generation from DXF DWG tool and trace a selection box around the entire drawing to automatically detect the contour lines and their elevation values. If the CAD drawing is in 2D, simply assign the individual elevation values manually.